Welcome, Tech Follow.
Hey guys. You will be glad to know that we want to show the best product in this video for maximum advantages. You will definitely be interested in buying this product. We have make this video by spending our overall feedback and time. We have show in here product quality and the right price. So whether you want more different your best budget. Hope you check out the link in the description below. So let's choose the right product through video analysis. Product name OBD2 Diagnostic Code Scanner. Maintain peak performance and safety on the road. The 5210 OBD2 scanner helps you easily find the problem and fix the problem. Use the free mobile application Repair Solutions 2 on Apple App Store or Google Play for real-time solutions and fixes to your automotive issues. With this app, get verified fixes, find and purchase the exact part required for repair, view maintenance schedules, buy parts, receive technical bulletins, dealer and safety recalls and access to Innova's best-in-class database. The CarScan Pro delivers pro-grade functionality at a consumer price. This dedicated OBD2 scan tool works on nearly all German, Japanese, and American-made cars built for North America after 1996. It can decipher virtually every diagnostic trouble code, or DDC, that a car can generate. It can scan virtually every individual control module in the car, including more recent developments like tire pressure monitors in newer vehicles, and not just basic universal systems like the engine and emissions controls. It can run a simulated smog test, evaluate the battery and alternator and show live data for engine operation, anti-lock braking and other systems during a road test. It ranks faults based on importance and shows freeze frame data, or a snapshot of exactly what was going on in the car when its control electronics triggered the trouble code to begin with. This car diagnostic tool can even predict a DDC that's likely to flash in the near future.
Make a choice in the video. If you have seen our video for the first time, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates of our channel. Make sure you check out the description for the links to find the latest price for this products in this video. Thanks for watching.